Did you know that by 2120, it's estimated that around 68% of the world's population will live in cities? That's a huge increase from just over 50% today. As we look ahead to the future, it's clear that urbanization is on the rise. Cities are becoming the epicenters of human innovation, creativity, and progress. And with technological advancements moving at breakneck speed, it's exciting to think about what our cities will look like in the next century. As cities expand, infrastructure development becomes a critical component of urban planning. Dr. Emily Rauscher, professor of sociology at Brown University, highlights the social implications of urban growth.
The right to the city is far more than the individual liberty to access urban resources. It is a right to change ourselves by changing the city. It is, moreover, a common rather than an individual right, since this transformation inevitably depends upon the exercise of a collective power to reshape the processes of urbanization.
Environmental sustainability is another key aspect of urbanization. Prof. Jonathan T. Overpeck, an environmental scientist, explains the ecological impact.
Human civilization has been changing the Earth's environment for millennia, often to our detriment. Dams, deforestation, and urbanization can alter water cycles and wind patterns, occasionally triggering droughts or even creating deserts. As we continue to urbanize, it is crucial to implement sustainable practices that minimize our environmental footprint.
As we imagine what these cities might look like, we have to consider the intersection of technology, humanity, and the environment. It's a complex puzzle, but one that will ultimately lead to the creation of urban spaces that are more efficient, more sustainable, and more livable. Let's dive into the specifics of what might make up these cities of the future. For starters, eco-friendly architecture will be a major focus. Buildings will be designed to produce their own energy, minimize waste, and optimize resource usage. This will not only reduce the carbon footprint of our cities, but also create more comfortable and healthy living spaces. Dr. Luisa Caldas, professor of architecture at University of California and founder and director of the UC Berkeley XR Lab, elaborates on the future of eco-friendly architecture.
The buildings of tomorrow will be designed with a holistic approach to sustainability. This means integrating renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, directly into the building structures. Additionally, advanced materials that can self-regulate temperature and improve energy efficiency will play a key role. For instance, smart glass that adapts to sunlight intensity and green roofs that support biodiversity while insulating buildings will become standard. The goal is not only to minimize the environmental impact, but also to create healthier living environments. Innovations in water recycling, waste reduction, and urban farming will further enhance the sustainability of these structures, ultimately contributing to a circular economy where resources are continuously reused and regenerated.
In addition to green buildings, smart transportation systems will revolutionize the way we move around our cities. Electric and self-driving vehicles will dominate the roads, reducing congestion and pollution. Advanced public transit systems will make it easy to get where you need to go, and hyperloops will enable rapid travel between cities. Dr. Jinhua Zhao, professor of urban planning and transportation at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, provides further insight into the future of smart transportation systems.
The cities of 2120 will witness a remarkable transformation in their transportation infrastructure. Autonomous electric vehicles will become ubiquitous, significantly reducing traffic congestion and lowering carbon emissions. These vehicles will be integrated into a broader network of smart infrastructure, including traffic signals, roadways, and parking systems, all coordinated by advanced AI algorithms. This will ensure smooth traffic flow, optimize energy consumption, and enhance road safety. Additionally, the implementation of hyperloop systems will revolutionize intercity travel, allowing passengers to commute between cities at unprecedented speeds with minimal environmental impact. Public transit will also see a shift towards on-demand shared mobility solutions, catering to the dynamic needs of urban dwellers. These advancements will not only make transportation more efficient and sustainable, but also create more livable urban environments by reclaiming space currently occupied by traditional vehicles for green areas and pedestrian pathways.
Another key aspect of future cities will be the integration of AI in urban planning. This will enable cities to optimize energy usage, streamline waste management, and even predict and prevent crime. AI will also help cities adapt to changing demographics and shifts in population density. Dr. Rishi Jain, Associate Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Stanford University, elaborates on this transformation.
Artificial intelligence will be the backbone of future urban planning, allowing cities to operate with unprecedented efficiency and responsiveness. AI systems will enable real-time data analysis, from monitoring energy consumption to managing traffic patterns and optimizing public services. For example, smart grids will dynamically adjust energy distribution to balance supply and demand, reduce waste, and integrate renewable energy sources seamlessly. Waste management will become more efficient through AI-driven sorting and recycling processes, while predictive analytics will help cities anticipate and mitigate potential issues like water shortages or infrastructure failures. Moreover, AI will play a crucial role in enhancing public safety, utilizing advanced surveillance and pattern recognition algorithms to detect and prevent criminal activities before they occur. This sophisticated integration of AI will not only streamline urban operations but also contribute to creating safer, more sustainable and more resilient cities that can adapt to the evolving needs of their inhabitants.
Cities will also become hubs for innovation and entrepreneurship, with incubators and accelerators fostering the growth of new businesses and technologies. This will lead to the creation of new industries, new jobs, and new opportunities for people to improve their lives. Dr. Schooling, Director of Cambridge Centre for Smart Infrastructure and Construction at the Cambridge Institute of Technology, emphasizes the transformative potential of innovation incubators and accelerators.
In the cities of the future, incubators and accelerators will serve as the beating heart of urban innovation. These entities will provide the necessary resources, mentorship, and collaborative environments for startups and entrepreneurs to thrive. By fostering a culture of creativity and experimentation, they will drive the development of cutting-edge technologies and business models that address urban challenges such as sustainability, mobility, and housing. The ripple effect of these innovations will be profound, leading to the creation of new industries, the generation of high-quality jobs, and the enhancement of the overall quality of life for urban residents. Furthermore, the concentration of talent and ideas within these innovation hubs will position cities as global leaders in technological advancement and economic growth, ensuring their competitiveness in an increasingly interconnected world.
Virtual and augmented reality will also play a major role in shaping the cities of 2120. These technologies will enable new forms of entertainment, education, and social interaction. They'll also revolutionize the way we work, making remote collaboration and communication more seamless and effective. Dr. Emily Carter, Professor of Virtual and Augmented Reality at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, elaborates on the transformative potential of these technologies.
By 2120, virtual and augmented reality will be deeply integrated into the fabric of urban living, fundamentally altering the way we experience and interact with our environments. These technologies will enable new forms of entertainment, education, and social interaction, creating immersive experiences that transcend physical limitations. For instance, residents will be able to attend virtual concerts, art exhibitions, and sporting events from the comfort of their homes, or even project these events onto public spaces, fostering a sense of community and shared experience. In education, virtual and augmented reality will provide interactive and engaging learning environments, making education more accessible and personalized. Additionally, these technologies will revolutionize the workplace, enabling seamless remote collaboration and communication, which will be particularly beneficial in a globalized world. By overlaying digital information onto the physical world, augmented reality will enhance everyday activities, from navigation and shopping to maintenance and repair. The integration of virtual and augmented reality into urban planning and architecture will also allow cities to visualize and optimize their development, ensuring more efficient and sustainable growth. Overall, the impact of virtual and augmented reality on the cities of 2120 will be profound, enhancing the quality of life and enabling new possibilities for urban living.
As cities become more connected and more efficient, they'll also become more livable. Public spaces will be redesigned to prioritize pedestrian-friendly areas, green spaces, and community engagement. This will foster a sense of community and social connection among residents. But what will a day in the life of a resident in a 2120 city look like? Let's imagine waking up in a high-rise apartment with a breathtaking view of the city. The lights and temperature in the apartment are adjusted automatically, thanks to advanced AI-powered home automation. You start your day by putting on your augmented reality glasses, which immediately provide you with a stream of information about your schedule, the weather, and the latest news. You head out to grab a coffee, which is delivered to you by a drone. As you walk to work, you notice the streets are clean and quiet, thanks to the advanced waste management and transportation systems. At work, you collaborate with your colleagues remotely, using virtual reality to brainstorm and problem solve. You take a break to grab lunch at a local restaurant, which is powered entirely by renewable energy. In the evening, you attend a virtual concert, which is projected onto the side of a building in your neighborhood. As you reflect on your day, you realize that technology has enabled a level of convenience, comfort, and connection that was previously unimaginable. But with these advancements come new challenges that will require us to rethink the way we live, work, and interact with one another. One of the biggest implications of these changes will be the need for sustainable resource management. Cities will have to balance the demands of a growing population with the need to reduce waste and minimize their carbon footprint. Another challenge will be the potential for overpopulation. As cities become more attractive and more livable, they'll draw in more people, putting a strain on resources and infrastructure. Dr. Forrest Stewart, professor of urban studies at Stanford University, elaborates on the potential challenges of overpopulation due to technological advancements.
As cities become more technologically advanced and attractive, they will inevitably draw a growing number of people seeking the benefits of a high-tech urban environment. This influx of residents could lead to significant overpopulation, putting immense pressure on urban infrastructure and resources. To mitigate these challenges, cities will need to adopt innovative approaches to sustainable resource management, such as smart waste management systems, renewable energy sources, and advanced water conservation techniques. Additionally, urban planners will need to design flexible and adaptive infrastructure capable of accommodating rapid population growth while maintaining a high quality of life for all residents. The integration of AI and other smart technologies will be crucial in monitoring and managing the dynamic needs of an expanding urban population. Ultimately, addressing the potential for overpopulation will require a holistic approach that combines technology, policy, and community engagement to ensure sustainable and resilient urban development.
We'll also have to consider the societal shifts that will result from these changes. As automation and AI take over certain tasks, we'll have to rethink the nature of work and the role of humans in the economy. Despite these challenges, the possibilities offered by the cities of 2120 are undeniably exciting. Imagine living in a world where technology has enabled us to create sustainable, efficient, and connected urban spaces. As we look to the future, it's clear that the cities of 2120 will be a game changer. They'll be a testament to human ingenuity, creativity, and innovation. And they'll offer us a glimpse into a world that's more sustainable, more efficient, and more connected. So, what do you think the cities of 2120 will look like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to explore more about the future of technology, be sure to check out our other videos on emerging trends. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative videos.